While preparing the build for Google Play, I've upgraded Gradle, and suddenly I couldn't make a build. I've made a quick search and found a post on Stack Overflow which is saying that JCenter is being deprecated, and I had to add Maven Central to build Gradle configuration. For those who didn't come across Maven before, it's something similar to NPM, but Maven is geared toward Java libraries. I'm back into Android Studio. My target is to make a build and upload it to Google Play. So once I open the Android folder, I have to give a second for Gradle to sync all the dependencies and be ready to make a build. Once sync is completed, I'm going to choose build and then option generate signed bundle or APK. In one of the previous videos, I showed how to generate APK. Nowadays, Google Play requires to upload a bundle. This is something similar, but just has different extension A, B, but essentially it's still a collection of all the resources that needed for application to run. So I am going to choose option Android App Bundle and press Next. To upload bundle to Google Play, first I need to sign it. The easiest way to do it is when I'm generating this bundle with Android Studio, but it also can be done manually through the command line. I already have a release key, therefore I just will point the path to it so Android Studio will use it. I just need to enter the password for it. Now, the reason why this key has a such weird extension is because I lost it initially and I had to work with the Google Play to restore it, or let's put it this way, create a new one. But in case if I wouldn't have a release key, I could easily generate a new one by choosing option create new. Next, I'm going to choose the type of build I'm making, which is release, and let Android Studio to do its magic. While it's taking time to build it, I'm gonna go ahead and log in into my Google Play Developer Console. Over here I would have to select an email which is associated with my account. And now I can see my dashboard. 3 applications are listed under my account, but technically I have only 2. The last one, which has com vbox2 package name, was in the time when I lost my key and I wasn't sure how to go about it. So at the moment it's inactive, it's just never deleted. So the application I am going to be updating is the second one, which has a package name com.wbox. There is a link to follow which takes me to WisdomBox page on Google Play. Essentially, it takes me to the page that user would see when they look for my application on Google Play. Okay, now let me come back and get into Release Overview. In Release Overview, I can check which release is currently available on Google Play. To upload new release, I would have to choose Production and then Create New Release. While a new release is uploading, I can scroll down and fill in needed information. I need to fill in 2 fields, release name and release notes. In release notes, I normally have to describe what's new in this update. Now, let's check on upload. And it looks like Google Play didn't like our version code. Let me fix it real quick. I just need to modify version code and version name in Gradle file. Good. And now let's make another build, upload it to Google Play and try again. As I'm waiting for upload to be completed, we can see that I already tried second time and this is actually the third time. So third time is a charm. It already shows me that my upload bundle was splitted into 4 layouts. That means it's split it by 4 CPU architectures and it's ready to be saved and submitted for review. After submitting for review, I can see that there are a couple of warnings. There is nothing major for this application, so I am going to ignore them. Based on my experience, update review may take from several hours to several days, so I will leave it like it is and check on it tomorrow morning. I opened my Google Play Developer Console next morning And I see that my update for Wisdom Box is in full rollout and available for download on Google Play. And let's follow the link to Wisdom Box Google Play page to make sure that it shows the correct version.